So this happens to be the area view of the Sakumono. That's the Sakumono Lagoon and the Sakumono flooding. No, I na the be a Thai ekano. So yesterday happens to be the 3rd of June 2026. And so Brane Kesibi Toy or the whole of Accra and its environment. And yesterday nneɛma a ɛsi yɛ ɛwɔ Sakumo no bi na yɛtwa ɛkyɛ so this is the area view so baabi a wɔn sisi yɛ no ɛyɛ Sakumo no estate ɛna yɛtwa ɛkyerɛ wɔn no kyɛ sɛ nsuo no afa estate hɔnom nyinaa ama estate no abɛhyɛ nsuo no mu so this is the area view ɛna yɛtwa ɛkyerɛ wɔn no Zionfelix yɛ deɛ camera no ɛkɔpie mu ɛwɔ hɔnom ɛna yɛne amanfoɔ nso ɛdi nkɔmmɔ ɛno no actually yɛde bɛto your platform no so nti wopɛ bi ati a you just have to go to Zionfelix on all the social media platform that's Instagram, Facebook and YouTube. You get any information bi a wopɛ biara no na wahwɛ na watie nsɛm a ɔmo community hall so ɛde to dwa problems ɔmo face ɛde solutions are buying bit me agina so no de aboa wo mo information kakra nya ne say sa ade we am say ABC order I think the last time ABC I think 1997 and the ABC or eho and okay ha aye Zionfelix studio ha aye Sakumono Ramzia site on ye wono ebenya eja ewa ha no me ne bedidi nkomo kakra efa insu a eto a efa amanfo eja mepacho ho te se
na me de mu
ha ye gina ye free hanum se
I have a Sakumono estate.
Sakumono estate on
Rest site.
okay na mepacho insu no eto a die na ya ede eyemo
And when say to padia it says any mammy brewa. It says any branches and our no. 1997 in Suka Sibi toy for heavy one. I had na yema. Maybe I'm no jane na yema. Tenia ya fish crampoa. No be bass and cobertas as one can say. A hassassin. A branches in surely branches monto. So betas as one young to boys and on a copy baby was a Davy. And it's so lucky a genoma. Na yenu yan kwampa no kan fa iza ko season no poka baby ene ye de no manmas won nkuta 3 days in share to ne fa papa so me hwade ti baby anko ponti aso beto asas no ba ne agya ne yi na fishing ho adwene dem 29 years ni ene bia so asa happy
ti first in there na enam na mo yi no ha
enam ne yi no ha
na obi ansi dan wa ha
dem obi ansi wa ha obi ansi dan wa ha
na mo hu say yes o mo sha so mo si dan na mo be na mo tu ye
ye no mu kasa na so mu ntie ye de adua no mu ye ase o bebe mu ato sasa mu si dan emwa mu esan se ne ye fish na ya no enu dwom ntini ka bi mu mfa te ya no mu si dan no yesi so e bia so be se o ba ke pakri ni manyi na egu odum no o mu to sasa we no en se ni gu ana ye hu no boss bi hu no mu ne kontokwa ankosi aga ene se se ahwe enya ukosa ko dan ho no ma be bola no so wo no enso su akonkofo dem si ya
okay intino se sie imprempia na mo be na mu tu afa ho
se se de mpa bo ne bo se enso ne mento bi but enso ne still that way
because na say be 3-4 days me say ya bra man for notice say ya mo be 2 weeks be o mo tie enso mo ntu mfiri ho no
ele kule na so bi mu ka so ntu mo nko buka so mutu munko omda kwa politics ni man agwe sunye politics asem bibia happy afam say aban moto asasen so aban so ni mo hwe aban ne dabre ayo se nsuyo no osma monto and still enti am the blame ma aban a ya me ntiase aban de onya hwe eye ni an fonso
nti we sure nti sisi ndi say aban no e de nesi from two mu nyina afiri ho
asana wi pe
okay pacho bodi
John Kwame Menu
okay John Kwame Menu pacho ya dase so I was abusia mami a ogina mensa nifa so yi ona ebeto no ha nso afa no enuoma no ha enuoma na egu ha nim sei no boy mu ekwan be ne fa so e bai
oh ye da ha na jo an say store no de yendem
okay
ti e da fi ha na jo
momo da fi ha
ba shan ti e sorry na Eti sɛ nsuo no tɔ na yɛadwene sɛ nsuo bɛwura mu nti yɛsɔreeɛ na yɛyiyi kwan no kakra nti ɛkɔ koraa. Nti ade kyeeɛ yɛbaa na ɛhu sɛ nsuo kakra wura store no mu. Yɛhwɛ no baa na ɛba na ɛwɔ sɛ yɛtwe nneɛma no bi ɛpi abɔnten.
Nti watena for how many years?
Yɛte ha bɛyɛ 8 years. Ba me
8
kunu
years.
deɛ ɔwɔ ha dedaada bɛyɛ 10 years koraa ansa meba.
Nti mobɛtena ha nyina se ya na ha te.
Ebi nsi da. Woyɛ first time so yere koraa epim akyire koraa mba ha sɛ da.
Nti the first time I saw na
Betina
ba no.
hen then the first time.
So some couple of days ni ate say your mama for notice say omo dan wo nsuo mu no omo nkɔ anya sa 2 weeks so a wa bebubu ɛno so what ho asɛm.
Yeah, akyire ha deɛ na fence wɔ hɔ saa akɔ. Ba mo bebubu ni nyinaa.
Na mo de manya affected anka mo.
Dabi.
Adenti.
Store yɛ ton ade no wɔ hɔ. Nti ɛnyɛ dan. Ɔmo sɛ ɛnyɛ kiosk na store no mu de anka. Bas ɛyɛ store no de.
Nti see right now aba ne see na first time mama hu ne see no na mo be na mutu afa ho. Ai e bia se nso tobi ma emba hɔ no.
Afe na aba nti no.
Fe na mo plans. Yeah, first say.
Within the mercy.
Yeah, that's it.
So that mercy.
So still we are still on the Sakumono Ramza site. To Yaba drew a different area. I know community members no Yaba be doing common bisa omo the problem they are facing over here and the solutions a bit to me they amasa the beya in so no etwa embam befa amount for new man same be amount for fee. So we are here to talk to them and know the problem and the solutions a bit me enya na abo mo na nsuo bia emba tete omo ewo ha eja mpacho ye frozen
Mpacho your friend Daniel Bokwe.
How many years now atena hanim say
Matraha for about 4 years.
4 years.
Yeah.
Have you experienced Saudi Arabia?
Actually, this is the first time I've seen this.
Okay.
Yeah.
So maybe I want to ask, what kind of solutions now you beating me the SC Saudi Arabia no coin?
Okay. So if you ask me about solution, what I've been hearing over the years, anytime it rains, we see government ministers coming around, demolishing people's properties and all that. But what I'm expecting the government to do to help the community is that we all knew that we have a lagoon, the Sakumono Lagoon. The Sakumono Lagoon is choked. And anytime it rains, you see that the whole place is stuck with water, flooded. But the government is not coming to ascertain the fact that what is choking or flooding the place. But we in the community, we have seen that the problem is the Sakumono Lagoon. The government needs to give the whole thing as a contract so that they dredge the Sakumono Lagoon so that the water will find its course to the lagoon and then enter to the sea. Do you understand? So this is the problem. We expect the government to dredge the Sakumono Lagoon so that you see that all the water that is stuck here all will find its way to the lagoon and then it will run to the sea. And then you don't see any flood water here. So this is the problem.
Okay, so let me ask: when the government ministers come here to maybe demolish buildings, what conversation goes on between the community members and the government officials who come here to demolish buildings here?
Oh, for me, what I've witnessed, and I have spoken with people whose buildings have been demolished, they will tell you government will just come and sometimes they will not even give them notice, and then they will come and demolish people's properties here without compensating them. Do you understand? And this is what we are saying, that what is causing the flooding is the dredging of the lagoon. So this
There's a way there that the water passes. There's a way at the lagoon that the closer to the sea that the water passes. But here's the case that the grasses and the sand have blocked the access where the water passes. So it's not about demolishing properties or demolishing buildings. What are the measures? What will we do so that the water will not flood? If you are able to dredge that side, the water will not flood here, or we are not going to experience any flood in Sakumono. You understand? But every day, all the time, they will come and demolish. All the time, they will come and demolish. And it's not bringing the solution. Even if you demolish and they go, different people will come and buy, and it will still be the same problem. So why wouldn't you find the solutions? You understand? What will make, what are we going to do so that the place will not flood again?
you see,
You understand?
MPP ministers has been here. I think 4 years ago, and then now we have NDC government. The name, I forgot the name. So all that we are saying, that we want government to come here and dredge the Sakumono Lagoon, and then
So
the problem
will be
will be solved. That is the only problem that we have here.
facing in
So we are pleading with John Dramani Mahama to give out a contract, the dredging contract, to a company to dredge. It's a very big lagoon.
all the water
Do you understand?
from
So we
mountains all are passing through this side to the lagoon.
So if
And
you
there's
want
no
to solve,
access for the water to pass, so where would the water go? You understand? So that's the problem we are facing here. It's not about demolishing people's property. Somebody will go and hustle, work and come and put on building. The next day they say they'll come and demolish. Even if they demolish it, the problem is still there. You understand? They've started demolishing this thing since, but yet still there's still flood. So what is the problem? The problem is that for them to give the this thing
The
out
lagoon away to
yes, so the water will have an access way to the sea. That's all.
so see, we have seen MPP government. They have done demolishing, and NDC also has done the same thing. So if the demolition will be the only solution to solve the problem, by now we will not see this
we wouldn't have
flooding.
seen even water in
Do you understand? So the main problem is the dredging of the Sakumono Lagoon.
That's all.
Even if you are using the Sakumono Temana road, you will see that the lagoon is full of sand.
Water. And it's even coming on the road.
It's full of sand.
You understand?
So the only thing is the dredging of the lagoon. Thank you very much. We appreciate your time.
Okay, so as you already heard, the only solution to this problem is not demolition of buildings, but to dredge so that the Sakumono Lagoon can get a passage, so they can open the lagoon or the gutters or whatever the lagoon passes through, so they can, the water can pass through, so there won't be any more flooding here, because there has been countless and series of demolition, but still the problem is still ongoing. So the only solution to this problem is to get a way or to dredge the lagoon so it will get a passage for the water to move through. So that's the solution. The government should put an eye on it. You don't just come here to, demolish buildings. You must get solutions to the problem
That is what
ongoing.
It's not about demolishing. Even if
So-
we demolish it today, tomorrow they will still come.
True.
And that's not the solution. Demolition is not a solution.
So here is Zionfelix Studios. We are still on it. Any information, we will give it to you.